Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted these 10-ounce overnight oats jars, but you can use them for so many things. I love these. They have, just your normal bottom, but these lids are great. So if you make chia pudding like I do, or even overnight oats, you know that these can leak. These lids stay on, they are perfect. Everything is dishwasher safe. And how cute are these different colors on the lid? So these comes in different sizes and different colors. So you can check out the link for all of those details. These are my chia puddings that are in process. What I love is that, look at this. You can shake this up. Nothing is coming out. These are leak proof. Love these for little yogurt parfaits. Put some fruit in there and some yogurt. These are great for your lunches because if you put them in your lunches, they all stack in your bag. So even if you don't take a lunch bag to work, you could put these in the side compartment where you put drinks of your bag and you were all set. So again, these are 4 10-ounce overnight oat jars, but you can use them for treats for your kids, for portion control, for your yogurt parfaits, for your chia pudding, for all the things. Loving these. Check them out.